everyone, welcome back to our Python tutorial series. So आज के वीडियो में हम देखने वाले कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट विच इज़ रिमेनिंग कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट. In the last video we have seen if and if-else conditional statement in Python, and in this video we're gonna see if-elif and else statement in Python and also nested if statement. So as we seen, तो कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट का हम यूज़ करते हैं जब हमें डिफरेंट कंडीशन चेक करनी होती है हमारे पाइथन प्रोग्राम में. दैट टाइम वी यूज़ कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट. So now we'll see the if-elif-else statement. So this is used when we have to write the multiple conditions in the program, or we want to check the multiple conditions. That time we use if-elif-else statements. And here else statement is optional, and we can have multiple elif blocks, but only one else block we can write. So let's see the syntax of this. So in the if, first we write our first conditions. जैसे कि हमने देखा if-elif-else स्टेटमेंट में जब हमें मल्टीपल कंडीशंस लिखनी होती है सिंगल प्रोग्राम में, दैट टाइम वी यूज़ if-elif-else स्टेटमेंट. सो सिंटैक्स फॉर दिस if condition 1 then elif condition 2, and we can write only one else block, and we can write the multiple elif block in the one code. So that this is our if-elif-else statement. So let's see the example of this. Suppose I'm taking x is equal to 10. And I want to write the multiple conditions in here. So first I'll pass x is greater than 5, and if this condition true, then I want x is greater than 5. And elif, I want to check another conditions here. Elif x is equal to 5. So if this condition will get true, then print x is equal to 5, otherwise else print x is not greater than 5. So if this condition is true, then this first block will get executed, and if this first condition is false, then this else block will get executed. So now if x is greater than 5, our x is greater than 5, so that's why we get x is greater than 5. Suppose I am passing 11 here, then we'll get x is not greater than 5. This else block will get executed. And suppose I'll pass x is equal to 5, then this elif block will get executed because our x is equal to 5. So this is if-elif-else program. So now we see the nested if statement. So in the nested if statement, we can write if statement inside the other if statements. This is called nested if statement, and we want to write the condition inside another condition. That time we use nested if statement. So here we write the syntax. If condition 1, write the one more condition in this condition. So I'll take one more if statement. We write the condition here, and then we write the else block for this particular second condition. This is a else block for this second if statement, and this is a else block for this first if statement. So according to that condition, that particular block will get executed. So let's see how nested if statement will get work. Suppose I am taking age is equal to 18, and I am taking one more variable which is register is equal to, I'll take a true because here I am taking age is equal to 18, and I want to check first if age is greater than or equal to 18, then print you are eligible for the vote, and if is register is true, here already I have given is register is equal to true because I pass age is equal to 18. So if that is registered, then if that person is registered for voting, then print you are registered for vote. Otherwise else, because as we seen here with this else statement, we write this else statement for this particular second condition. So otherwise print you need to registered for the vote, and we write another else block for our first if condition. Else, this else block we write for our first condition. So for that we write a print you are not eligible for the vote. And here when we print it, then first two condition is true. Here age is greater than or equal to 18, that's why first print statement will get executed, which is you are eligible for a vote, and here is register is true, so that's why second if statement also will get executed, that you are registered for the vote. And suppose I am writing here 15, then only our last block will get executed, which is you are not eligible for the vote, because our first condition, which is if that age is greater than or equal to 18, then these conditions will get true. So this is how we can use nested if statement in our program. So let's see the difference between if else and nested if statement. So when we want to write the multiple condition in a single program, then we use if-elif-else statement. And nested if statement, when we want to write the condition inside the condition like this, then we use nested if statement. So जैसे कि हम कह सकते हैं, जब हमें कंडीशन के अंदर अनदर कंडीशन चेक करनी होती है, तब हम नेस्टेड इफ का यूज़ करते हैं. सो आई होप आई मेड यू अंडरस्टैंड द कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट इन पाइथन. So if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe our channel. So मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.